Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talk about the lesson of the sound Z. How we can introduce this sound to the students. Okay, so we are going to talk about the sounds in the environment. Then we are going to have the introduction, with story and action, letter formation, sounding, and vocabulary with some songs. Okay, so let's have a look at all of these sounds over here and revise letter sounds of group 4. A, J, O, I, E, O. Everyone, take out your sound strips and touch your sounds with your fingers. Let's listen to the sounds as well.
A, pain. A, A, A.
Next,
J, J, jam. J, J, J.
okay, next,
O, O, goat. O, O, O. I, tie. I, I.
next,
E, E, B. E, E, E. Or, fork. Or, or.
Okay, so these are all of the sounds of group 4. Now we are moving to the sounds of group 5. And the first sound is
Z, Z. Buzz. Z, Z, Z.
okay. So let's have a look at the vocabulary basket. We have got zip, zero, zinnia, zorilla, zoo, zebra, and zucchini. You can find all of the things in your home as well. So it's our sound of the day.
Z, Z. Buzz. Z, Z, Z.
Okay, students, now listen to the story. Look at the picture. You can see Zara was playing in the garden. She saw bees buzzing around, so she started acting like a bee, saying buzz. Zzz. Can you do that? Can you do this action as well? Listen carefully.
Z, Z. Buzz.
Okay.
Z, Z, Z.
We have got zebra, zigzag, and zoo over here. Now let's have a look at the action of the sound. Look, flap your arms like wings and say zzz. Can you write down this one? Put your finger on the dot, go straight down and straight again. Let's have a look at this video. Okay, now we are going to do the matching. Can you match with your finger? Touch the screen, trace, and match with the pictures. Zzz. Okay, listen carefully. There is the sound zip. Where is the sound? Zebra. Where is the sound? Buzz. Where is the sound? Touch your arm and let us know. You can find lots of things around yourself in the nature. You can go to the zoo and see zebra. You can also look at the zebra crossing on the roads. Okay, so it's time for the story about Zishan who went to the zoo and saw someone hiding under the rocks, and it was the zebra. And there were lots of bees as well, zzz, buzzing around. Can you count how many zebras are there? One, two, three. Can you open the zip? Try, hold it from one arm, touch it, open it from top to bottom. Okay, so this is your worksheet time. Take out worksheets, start tracing and coloring, complete your work, and then submit this work to your teacher. Can you circle this sound in the group 5 and say it? Mm. We have just covered this sound, and you can also go and find some of these things in your home. This is a summer vegetable and you can find it in the market. You can ask your mama to buy for you zigzag lines. You can draw them, and lots of zips are there in your home. You can also play the games with your mama. Name, thing, place, bird, animal, or fruit or vegetables. And here we have got the tongue twister. Lazy Zara went to the zoo, sneezing, freezing, sneezing, freezing. Okay, so now we have got some vocabulary. The teachers and the parents can say the words, show them the flashcards on the pictures, but they are not supposed to read and write these words. Children can listen and then touch their arms and tell where is Z in zip. Touch your beginning. This is the beginning. Touch middle. Touch end. Buzz. Touch the end. Sneeze. Touch the end. Freeze. Touch the end. Fizzy. Touch the middle line. So it goes on like this. Time for a song.
Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this.
Okay, so we are working on the sounds of group 5 nowadays, and you have covered group 4 sound with long and short vowels every day. So let's practice once again. Look at this vowel hand. You can draw it and place it or paste it somewhere near you, in the room, in the fridge, in the cupboard, so that you could practice them at all times. Let's sing the song.
Short vowels that we use. A vowel is in every word, every word, every word. A vowel is in every word that we read or write. A, E, I, O, U, A, we use.
Okay, so you can sing it, you can touch your fingers, short vowel sounds on the fingertips, long vowel sounds at the bottoms. And you can enjoy the taste of this vegetable. You can bring it at home and see it how beautiful this one. Okay, it's all from my side. Assalamu alaikum.